Cardano has had a massive year. Over the last year, Cardano's price has gone up nearly 3,000%, and now I think things are just about to change, just about to get even better, because a new report came out that institutions are finally starting to put money into Cardano, and over the last week, they actually put more money into Cardano and ADA products than they did into other major cryptos out there like Ethereum. So in today's video, I'm going to go over exactly what is going on with Cardano and institutions, because that is a major announcement. After that, we're going to go over a couple of key things to keep in mind with Cardano, its energy efficiency and energy consumption. Moving on, we're going to go over the major partnership with Ethiopia, because you cannot pass that when you're talking about Cardano. This is just a major moment for crypto, major moment for Cardano. And finally, at the end of the video, we're going to go over a price prediction that is a pretty bold one from a major institution, saying that Cardano could reach $40 per coin in 2022. Do I think that's possible? Well, we'll talk about that at the end of the video. But if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like the video down below so we can reach more people with this content. I talk about the stock market, crypto, and tech news. But anyways, Cardano saw largest weekly inflows from institutional investors, according to a report and data from CoinShares. So institutional inflows into Cardano ADA investment products rose sharply last week when we saw the market crash during that week of the week ending May 24th, when we saw Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the entire crypto market crash. We saw institutional inflows, institutions pouring more money into Cardano than they have all year. Institutional investment managers bought about $10 million worth of ADA products, and these Cardano investment funds attracted more capital than any other digital asset. Bitcoin funds saw outflows of 110 million. Ethereum saw outflows of 12.6 million. So seeing money going into Cardano when every other digital asset basically saw an outflow, people taking money out, selling, that was a very significant move, especially from the big money players, the big institutions. So right now, the way that institutions invest into Cardano is essentially through ETPs, exchange traded products. Swiss asset manager Valor recently launched a Cardano and Polkadot ETP. Essentially, think of these like ETFs. ETFs are exchange traded funds. Those are a basket, a collection of stocks. ETPs, just think of, in this sense, it's a collection of crypto. And for this case, it is like Cardano, Polkadot. It's a way that institutions can invest into crypto, some of the smaller altcoins, without actually owning the altcoins, because there's some regulations in place behind that. But anyways, according to the report from CoinShares, they said that the reason they think this is happening is that environmental blowback against Bitcoin has been increasing. A lot of people are not happy with how much energy Bitcoin is consuming, how it's not great for the environment. And as a result of this, a lot of institutional investors are looking for more energy efficient, more environmentally friendly coins out there, and Cardano is one of them. Right now, when we look at Cardano in terms of energy consumption, Cardano is significantly more efficient and more energy efficient than Bitcoin. It's about 1,500 times more efficient, according to this recent report and data from TRG data centers. They explained how, in terms of kilowatt hours consumed per transaction, Cardano's at 0.5479 kilowatt hours consumed per transaction. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is 707 kilowatt hours consumed per transaction. Ethereum is about 62.5 kilowatt hours consumed per transaction. So right now, in terms of Cardano versus Bitcoin, about 1,500 times more efficient. Cardano versus Ethereum, it's about 120 times more efficient. Yes, some of this might change as Ethereum has its ETH 2.0 upgrade in the future, but right now, that is where it stands. It's much more energy efficient. In addition to this, Elon Musk recently came out and said that he actually, he spoke about, green energy, looking for more energy efficient coins, and a lot of people thought that Cardano could be one of them. However, it seems like he is sticking and staying strong with Dogecoin, because he recently came out and tweeted that he prefers Dogecoin over Ethereum 2.0, over Cardano, over all the other cryptos. He is working with the development team, and he doesn't seem to be changing away from Dogecoin. It looks like he is going to stick with that. and really try and push to make Dogecoin better for the environment, more efficient, more secure, and continue working with that. So I just wanted to let you guys know about that, because a lot of people had said Cardano could be an option for, let's say, Tesla as a form of payment, and that was a potential option, but it doesn't look like that is the case. Either way, though, Cardano is a much more green coin, much more energy efficient than basically all the other cryptos, all the other major cryptos out there, much more efficient than Ethereum, much more efficient than Bitcoin. And when you're starting to look at Cardano in terms of transactions per second, Cardano right now is much faster, much more efficient than Ethereum. You got to remember, the person who created Cardano, the founder of Cardano, was a co-founder of Ethereum. So if you think about it, he's not going to go off and make a new coin if it's not going to be better than the one he was already a co-founder of. He co-founded Ethereum. So obviously, when you just think about that, the next one, the next project he goes off and creates is going to have all of everything he's learned from creating Ethereum. And that's what he did with Cardano. So Cardano right now, they're going to be able to handle 1 million transactions per second, which is significantly more than Ethereum. Even Ethereum 2.0 is only going to be able to process 100,000 transactions per second. So Cardano will be able to process 10 times more than that. And right now, Cardano is proof of stake, which makes it more energy efficient, versus Ethereum, which is proof of work. Moving on, Cardano as well already has a partnership with Ethiopian Education Committee. They've given 5 million Ethiopian students a Cardano blockchain-based ID that allows the ministry to track their academic performance. This is huge. 750,000 teachers get access to the system. And whenever someone talks about crypto right now, it's a lot of use cases in the future, what they're going to be able to do. There's a lot of projects going on, but not a lot of real world applications. And right now, this partnership between Cardano and Ethiopia is one of the largest partnerships in the crypto world right now for any altcoin out there, because it is a real world application that is currently being used, and it's not just an idea or something they want to do in the future. It's already happening, which I think is massive. And finally, a lot of people are saying Cardano could potentially reach a $1 trillion market cap this year. One recent analyst came out and said that Cardano could reach $40 per coin in 2022. That would put the market cap of Cardano over $1 trillion, because right now Cardano is ranked number 5 out of all coins. It has about a $50 billion market cap. So if you times that by 20, about a $32 Cardano coin, $32 per coin would put Cardano at about a $1 trillion market cap. So $40 per coin would mean it's around a little over $1 trillion. Analysts are saying that this is going to happen because Cardano is more efficient than Ethereum. Institutional investors are going to start to get in, and it is going to overtake Ethereum and Bitcoin. Do I think this is the case? Personally, I don't think Cardano is going to reach a $1 trillion market cap or even a $40 per coin price in this bull market. According to history, the way we've seen every single cycle over the last 3-4 cycles in the crypto world, what we expect is that this bull run is going to last until the end of September, early October of 2021. Based on that fact, I don't see any way that Cardano is going to reach a $1 trillion market cap. I think it's very possible that we could see it reach, $10 per coin. That is possible, but reaching $30, $40 per coin, I do not think is possible in this bull run. That being said, though, long term, I do think it is possible because we are starting to see institutions put money into it. Like I went over at the beginning of the video, institutional investors are starting to allocate funds to Cardano. We're seeing real world applications. Cardano is more efficient than Ethereum, and there's a lot to like about it. You just got to remember that $1 trillion market cap is massive, and they're going to continue to have to prove themselves, develop the system, develop the Cardano ecosystem to include smart contracts, get those rolled out, have more NFTs on the platform. And once they're able to do that, if they do it successfully, long term, I see Cardano being able to reach that $1 trillion market cap. But in the short term, I'm still very bullish on it. But that analyst who said $40 per coin by 2022, that is, a very, very bold prediction, let's just say. So Don't get me wrong, I'm very bullish on Cardano. I think it could easily reach, $8 to $10 per coin in this bull market, but we'll have to wait and see what happens with the introduction of smart contracts, building out their NFTs and everything like that. So I just wanted to go over what was going on because it was a major announcement from institutional investors that we saw an inflow of money when all the other cryptos saw an outflow of hundreds of millions of dollars. But I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in the next episode.